Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if TOZO T20 is fully charged. Of course, if you are wondering about the charging box or case, then we can see the LED display once you open or close the case, as well as when you are charging the case. So if you are charging, then you will see the information about the battery of the case. And once it reaches 100%, then of course you will see that information on the case itself, and it will mean that they are fully charged, the case. However, if you are wondering about the earbuds themselves, then you can also find this information once you close or open the case, if the earbuds are inside, of course. So if you open the case, you will see above the amount of battery left in the case. You will see 3 lines for each of the earbuds. So we have left side and right side. 4 lines actually. So 4 lines means that they are fully or nearly fully charged. In addition to that, let me actually take them out. In addition to that, if you connect the earbuds with any smartphone or any device, then you can also find the information about the battery and the Bluetooth settings. So if you connect them, you will see the information about battery, and that's how you can check. If the earbuds are fully charged. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.